Hi, this is Alex Masichev of Intwillion, the developers of Data2 DataCMS. Today, I am going to show you something really amazing. This is actually a teaser of the presentation I'll be giving at the Information Energy Conference in Utrecht, the Netherlands, next week. I'm going to talk there about how a lot of work that you're currently doing manually can be automated if your content is structured. For example, we can automatically generate a process diagram from a set of procedures so that the diagram will visually represent the information described in the textual format. Let's say we have a set of troubleshooting topics that explain the user of the washing machine what to do if the water isn't drained after the washing cycle is completed. Usually, a troubleshooting process consists of a series of checks that you need to perform, and depending on the outcome of each check, you need to follow a certain procedure. In this example, we have a troubleshooting topic that includes possible solutions depending on the cause of the problem. We also have tasks that explain how to perform each check. For example, this one describes how to check if the filter is clean. Now, because this information will be easier to understand if it's presented in a visual format, we want to generate a diagram that will represent this troubleshooting process. There is a tool that we've built, and I'm going to run it now. It will generate a PNG image and put it into this folder. As you can see, it's currently empty. Now it's parsing the topics and generating the diagram. It'll take a few moments. Internally, we are calling this tool copy-paste monster, which you have to fight. And the monster is flying away. The image is now ready, and we can view it. As you can see, it visually represents the same information that was written in topics. The tool can be tweaked to generate a clickable diagram linked to specific topics so that you can add the diagram to a web page, for example. It can be also modified to create a process diagram from a single task, and so on. Possibilities are virtually unlimited. But this is just one example of what can be automated if your content is structured. Here are some other ideas. If you're a manufacturing company that uses bills of materials, then an entire documentation set can be automatically assembled from individual pieces of information. If you are a semiconductor company, then the programming code in VHDL can be automatically generated from technical specs. If you have data stored in an external source, such as database or configuration files, this data can be automatically integrated into your product documentation. So these are just a few examples to spark your imagination and show you what's possible. Do you want to know how we did it and, more importantly, how you can do it? Then come to the Information Energy Conference that is taking place in Utrecht, the Netherlands, on June the 8th and 9th, and attend our presentation. And meanwhile, if you want to learn more about us, here is our contact information. I'm looking forward to meeting you there. Tot ziens!